Particle statics. Hello everyone. We present about forces and how to display force. We have several types of quantity, explain about it, and about the vector addition, different modes under the different angles. And we refer about that can two vector with the same quantitative condition have a different addition of vector, or will it always be the same? Stay with us for continuation of educational videos. We start with force vector. How do we draw the force vectors? Each person has its own ID. The force vector also has its ID, which we can draw with this. The force is drawn with three identifiers: where, how much, which direction. The first one is about the point of force. It's very important. And the next one is about the magnitude, or how much is applied. For example, in this example, about the 20 Newton or 9 Newton. Yeah, magnitude is very important. And the third one is about which direction. Which direction? Direction is very important. In this example, it applies to the northwest, or we can about that the opposite of it, about the southwest. Direction is very important for selectors. Type of physical quantity. We have two type of quantities. The scalar quantity, only the size is very important for us, and we don't say the direction, distance, speed, time, temperature, mass, length, volume, density, stress, and energy. uh, for example, we say 2 meter long. We don't say 2 meter in which direction. And for example, the next one is about we lift 2 kilos. No one will ask us in which direction did you lift 2 kilos. Okay, so the size or magnitude, just size or magnitude is very important, not directions. The next one is about the vector quantities. The next quantity to be taken is also important for us. In addition to magnitude, the direction is also important for us. Is a vector quantity, displacement, uh, velocity, acceleration, and force. All of them is a vector quantity. For example, a force 20 Newton is applied to the object. The question that comes to your mind is in which direction it was applied. And for example, about moment and torque, the question that comes to our mind, in addition to its value or magnitude, is clockwise or clockwise or anti clockwise the rotation. So direction is very important, magnitude is very important. What were the type of quantity? Stop the video and let's us review together. Let's continue the discussion. Which value can be correct in additional vector? For example, 3 plus 4 is or equal 5. The b is 3 plus 4 is 7. Which one is correct? In additional vector, both of them is true. Uh, we want to explain that in the first case, the angle between them should be 90 degree, and in the second case, change the angle. We will tell you how to draw the additional vector in the next video. Don't worry about it. But you should know the result of this first case is 5 Newton, and the next one is 7 Newton. We realize that the magnitude can be constant, but by changing the angle between two forces, the additional force of them will be different. We have more interesting content in our website. In the next video, we will explain the various method of vector addition and with example. We will open different aspects of the addition. What we learned, we understood how to show the force with its ID. We understood how many type of quantity we have and their difference. We learn about vector addition and other educational aspects in these cases. We remember that it's so important how to reach the destination. Until the next training video here.